Alright, yo, my Chinese wife getting real Jamaican, bro. Come on, man. There's a soup on Sunday. Oh, what? No, today not Sunday. Friday. Friday afternoon soup. We have the corn, carrot, chocha. Let me see the dumpling. That's a dumpling? It looks like a spinach. Look like sweet potato right there, so. The people them see, what's this? You see that they have for the long time, man? The people them see some like a chicken foot.
What's a chicken toe?
Yeah, I don't know if you know about the chicken foot soup, man. You get a nice burp from this right now. Tell the people that. Yeah, make them nice there, Fabrican. Alright, man.
Come for your soup. Psych.
I get a good burp sooner. Happy Friday. Later. Say a little more.
Alligator.
No, if you say little more, Bridget.
Little more.